Starting around the 17th of May 2023, Nexo especially is exchanging at 68 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.32% in especially most recent 1 hour in a kind of especially huge manner, or so they especially thought. Nexo especially has a decently really all-out market cap of $379,734,149 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,166,379 in opposition to mainstream thinking. This, especially in every way that really matters, makes Nexo most certainly especially positioning at 95 in the digital currency market, on the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially for the most part is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Nexo certainly be somewhat sort of essentially worth in 2023? Is Nexo a fundamentally by and large wise venture or in every practical sense, all things considered, really worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite huge manner? Will Nexo value sort of in a real sense sort of outperform its record-breaking genuinely lovely high in an unpretentious manner in a sort of significant manner? These really are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, by and large most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value expectation 2023 as per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Nexo cost truly is supposed to generally cross an entirely normal value level of 87 cents. The normal especially least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to essentially truly be 84 cents. Besides, Nexo can basically arrive at a greatest value level of 97 cents. Nexo value figure May 2023. The Nexo value for May 2023 may in a real sense for the most part arrive at any rate worth of 65 cents, while the extremely sort of greatest estimated cost is around 73 cents in an unobtrusive manner, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The sort of typical cost for Nexo for the most part is for the most part anticipated to reach 71 cents in May 2023 in a pretty especially significant way in an extremely enormous manner in an unobtrusive way. Nexo value figure June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Nexo in every practical sense most certainly is supposed to be at around a decently truly least of 70 cents in a truly significant manner in a genuinely significant manner. Nexo cost can entirely arrive at a very beautiful limit of 76 cents with the fundamentally essentially normal cost of 72 cents in USD. Nexo value expectation July 2023. The cost for Nexo in July 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 72 cents and 79 cents, entirely in spite of prevalent thinking. While the by and large especially normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around 75 cents in an essentially huge manner. Nexo value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the by and large greatest cost for Nexo could vary all expectations and purposes stretch around 82 cents, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way in a significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in August 2023 basically really is 75 cents with a for the most part normal cost of 78 cents. Nexo value estimate September 2023. The Nexo gauge for September 2023 expects that the Nexo may really arrive at a fundamentally essentially greatest worth of 85 cents with an entirely all plans and purposes least cost of around 76 cents. Discussing the in every practical sense, certainly normal value Nexo can for the most part stretch around 80 cents for September amazingly, which by and large is very critical, which is very huge. Nexo value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Nexo could stretch around 89 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Nexo in October 2023 sort of is 78 cents with an extremely normal cost of 81 cents in a significant manner. Nexo value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the very most extreme cost for Nexo could really stretch around 94 cents, or so they thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in November 2023 for the most part is 81 cents with a by and large certainly normal cost of 84 cents, which most certainly for the most part is very huge. By and large as opposed to mainstream thinking, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value gauge December 2023. The Nexo estimate for December 2023 expects that the Nexo may explicitly sort of arrive at a most extreme worth of 97 cents with a reasonably genuinely least cost of around 84 cents, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking in a very significant manner. Discussing the kind of typical value Nexo can generally basically stretch around 87 cents for December. Nexo surpass cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost generally in a real sense has shown in every way that really matters. Great increment of 2.13% in the especially absolute most recent 24 hours, or so they thought, kind of truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. or so they thought. Nexo, for the most part, is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins. The Nexo in a real sense is down to nearly 0.6% in the truly most recent 7 days, or so they fundamentally thought. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for in every practical sense. Past beautiful most certainly especially couple of days. The coin could, all things considered, have actually most certainly solid basics at the same time. We don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource in sort of fundamentally present moment, sort of all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they basically thought. Inside the pretty by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo generally diminished by 5.741%, disposing of an astounding really normal amount of 4 cents from its for the most part current worth incredibly, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down truly in every practical sense implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a kind of fundamentally great basically in a real sense purchase a valuable open door for kind of for the most part sort of speedy venture, which is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive way. The 90 days cost change truly is near 19.46%, and the cost actually in a real sense for the most part coursed from a base kind of typical cost of 79 cents to pretty sort of greatest normal cost of 86 cents in the by and large beyond 90 days, or so they all things considered, explicitly thought. Nexo actually certainly is somewhere near 8.37% with the by and large exceptionally greatest typical cost of the coin certainly generally was around 67 cents and the kind of especially least certainly normal cost basically certainly was around 65 cents and lovely for the most part beyond 4 months in an unpretentious manner, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will be Nexo essentially truly worth in 2023, or so they generally thought in a fundamentally genuinely enormous manner in an unobtrusive manner. The Nexo cost for the most part is determined to especially basically arrive at a kind of exceptionally greatest degree of 97 cents within every practical sense. By and large least cost of 84 cents toward the finish of 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical, or so they thought. Does Nexo have a future in an unobtrusive manner? Amazingly. As far as value, Nexo, all things considered, has a remarkable essentially exceptionally potential to arrive at new levels, which especially is very huge in a genuinely significant manner in an unpretentious way. It certainly is conjecture that Nexo will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way, as per reasonably in every practical sense, sort of unambiguous specialists and business experts. Nexo can basically raise a ruckus around town cost of $29.96 till 2030 in every way that really matters, entirely in spite of mainstream thinking in a truly significant manner, or so they thought. Is Nexo pretty certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a for the most part enormous manner in an unpretentious manner, which is very huge? Nexo's worth entirely truly is supposed to basically actually in a real sense keep on growing.